Hey guys, I know it looks late. It's pretty dark outside, but it's only like 7 o'clock. But I think I've decided this is not the frame I'm going to use for this build. I'm going to go ahead and use the Roper tractor frame because I was looking at this the other day and there are several holes in the frame that I have drilled over the course of several years. So let's go get the Roper frame and we'll take it around front. Alright guys, this is where this is going to live for a little bit, right here in front of the garage door. So don't really have much room at the moment with a car in the garage. So I'll finish. I didn't realize I already had the fender pan already disconnected, so I went ahead and lifted it off, put it in the back of the pickup over there. I will probably go ahead and take the footboards off and clean up the frame. It's not much to clean up, and I need to drop this transaxle so I can get the differential out of it. And who knows, maybe I can just fix the high-low. Maybe it's just a broken clip. So I did have to wire it up here to stay in high, but I'll open it up, check it out, see if I can fix this. If I can, I'll just use this transaxle and leave the one in the green machine locked up for a later use. But there you have it. It's in the front, ready to work on it. All right guys, here's the Roper frame in daytime. I'm going to use this frame and probably all the goodies from the Roper. I'm going to maybe not use the green machine as a source after all. Maybe for all the parts. Here's the front axle for the Roperman. I just need the hanger. Checked out, see what it would cost me to build a new hanger versus just buying a Craftsman hanger or a Roper hanger. And it was $24 to buy a Roper hanger. So I went ahead and did that. So I'll have that coming. I don't know if I'm going to do rack and pinion or if I want to do the bell crank yet. We'll see. It depends on how heavy that diesel is. Here's my bag of goodies. I'm ready to fix Bowser's brakes. I'm going to convert it back to grease like I did on red. And here's new brake pucks for the brake. So not getting to that today. Maybe tomorrow at the earliest, but we'll see. Today, I know this start off as the diesel Craftsman build, but I think I'm going to put the green machine back away. But in the meantime, I got my tires for Dirty Rat. So I'm going to do an install of those today. So I'm gonna go get the Dirty Rat, pull it out, and let's knock those old front tires off, and we'll put the new ones on. I do not plan on water or liquid filling, I guess washer fluid. I do not plan on washer fluid filling the new tires. Dirty Rat stretched good enough that I don't feel that it needs the extra weight. And I did feel the difference in speed and gaining speed with the liquid in the tires. So get these mounted and we'll go from there. All right, before I put the tire on, I wanted to show you the rim. See, it's not rusted at all. Just a couple of spots that were there already. Spring's still just a little bit good. Will need to be replaced about halfway through the year. Alright guys, I already got the back tires off, got it on jack stands, just need to unbolt it, take the belt off, and drop it out, and get it up here on this cart. Split the two halves of the transaxle, and let's drain that oil out of there. And we'll put some grease back in. We'll clean up the disc puck. I've got new disc pucks back here, or I guess the disc brake. I got new pucks for it back there. What do you think, guys? You think that skid plate was a good investment? I think so. Alright guys, transaxle is out, as you can see. There's the brake parts, I'm gonna clean them up still. There's the bottom half cleaned up. There's the gears and the diff. Actually, it's not a diff because it's a straight axle all the way through, but all the gears look good. I didn't see any chipped teeth or anything. Like I said, everything there looks good. Alright guys, next time you see this, it will be in the tractor. I'm just waiting for it to cure about another 30 more minutes. And I'll zip the bolts back down and I'll put my little nuts on the back side to capture those bolts that are all the way through. And it'll be ready for install. Alright guys, transaxle's in, it's all bolted up. New brake pads on, it's filled with grease. Let's give it a test drive and get that grease all good and mixed up in that transaxle. So I'll start off slow and then I'll come up a little faster. All right, guys, that'll end this video here of random things, a little bit of the build-off entry, which changing my mind a little bit on which frame I'm going to use. I'm going to use the roper now. Got Dirty Rat fixed on the front wheels. Got new front tires for it. And also I got Bowser fixed. It has brakes for days again, like a little red, and converted it back to grease. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.